Handsome guy, help me check how much it would cost to fix my phone.
Your screen is broken. Just need to replace the screen. Replacing the screen is $150.
Oh,
Your back cover is shattered too. Whether you change the back cover is up to you. Let's just change the screen, then $150.
oh come on, handsome guy, give me a discount. I found you through your videos.
Wait, what does this mean? You're even holding my hand? What does that mean?
You gave them a 20 discount, can you give me 30 off?
No, haha, I make my money through hard work. I really don't earn that much. I'm being honest, really.
Oh come on, give me 30 off, handsome.
Alright, I'll give you 30 off.
Great.
Sit tight for a bit.
Hey handsome, who's prettier, me or that other girl?
Be honest. You're both pretty, both pretty, both pretty.
You're just saying that to be nice.
Haha, both are pretty, both pretty.
Do you have any water? Can you give me a bottle to drink?
I do, I'll get one for you.
Thanks.
Oops. Lighter fell.
Hey handsome, let's exchange contact info too.
Sure, sure.
After you finish repairing your phone, I'll add you.
Alright, after you're done.
How tall are you?
I'm 183 centimeters.
I'm 168 centimeters. We actually match pretty well.
Haha, stop messing around. Let me ask, did you find me from scrolling videos?
My phone just broke, right? So I searched phone repair, and you popped up. You're close by too, so I came over myself.
Miss, your phone is ready.
That fast?
Yep, all done. Gotta be fast.
You work really efficiently.
Haha, of course.
Let's keep in touch then.
Alright, bye.
Bye-bye.